अस्सलामुअलैकुम 9th क्लास। आज हम यूनिट 3 से नया जो टॉपिक सीखने जा रहे हैं वो है 3.2 एंड सबसेक्शन ई फिलिंग कॉलम्स एंड रोज। सो हाउ वी कैन फिल द डेटा in column and row? There are two methods explained in your book. The first one, to insert text in worksheet, and second one, to use the fill handle to fill the cells. So now we are going to apply these two methods one by one. The first one, to insert the text in worksheet. For this purpose, what we have to do? Number one step, select the cell where you want to enter the data to insert the data. Okay, cell, we know that it is the point where we can insert the data in MS Excel. और सेल बनता कैसे है? रो और कॉलम के इंटरसेक्शन पर जो इंडिविजुअल आपको डेटा होल्डिंग स्पेस मिलती है वो क्या कहलाती है? सेल कहलाती है। सो इस वक्त मैंने जो सेल सेलेक्ट किया है उसका एड्रेस बॉक्स में या नेम बॉक्स में देखें तो एड्रेस मिलता है हमें, दिस इज B8 मीन्स कॉलम B रो नंबर 8। सो B8 पर मैंने डेटा एंट्री करनी है तो B8 मैंने सेलेक्ट कर लिया। सेकंड स्टेप, टाइप योर रिक्वायर्ड डेटा इन दिस सेल। अब यहां पर मैं टाइप करने जा रही हूं 9th rows. This is my text which I want to enter in this cell. डेटा एंट्री मेरी क्या हो चुकी है? डेटा टाइपिंग कंप्लीट हो चुकी है। जैसे ही डेटा टाइपिंग कंप्लीट होती है तो आप इसमें क्या करेंगे? नेक्स्ट स्टेप आपका होगा प्रेस एंटर की फ्रॉम द कीबोर्ड। एंटर की प्रेस करते ही अब आप देखें कि मेरा पॉइंटर जो है, मेरा सिलेक्शन बॉक्स जो है वो B9 में शिफ्ट हो चुका है। तो इस तरह एक डेटा एंट्री कंप्लीट हो गई B8 के अंदर। मैं रिवाइज कर देती हूँ, स्टेप्स क्या हैं। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, select your required cell in which you want to enter the data. After cell selection, second step, type your required data in that cell. So I have typed data MPS in C10. Now third step, to press enter key. Your data entry is complete. Simple. Okay. Second method, to use the fill handle to fill the cells. Fill handle, where is this? First of all, we must have some data entry in any cell which we want to fill in rest of cells in column wise or row wise. So here I am typing the data online learning. This is my data or text which I want to copy over the column. Means column is same, row will be changed. So how I can copy this same data with the fill handle cell? Where I will find this fill handle cell? This is actually present at the selected cell right bottom corner, where when I will place my cursor will be changed in its shape. Here this is bold plus. So when I will in the position with the fill handle, this is your fill handle. This bold plus cursor shape shows you that we are in fill handle control. So here we are going to press the fill handle with your mouse, left click, and now drag it over the cells, either column wise or row wise. Where you want to the same data entry, we can use the fill handle of MS Excel. So this is the way that we can enter the same data entry from one cell to the rest of cells in MS Excel. Hopefully you understood that how we can use the fill handle to make the same data entry in more than one cells in MS Excel. Okay, I'm repeating the steps. First we have to make entry which we want to copy over the rest of cells. So here I'm going to type certain data which I need to paste over the rest of cells. So here it is COVID-19. Now I want this data over the cells in the same row. So here as I have typed my data entry, now I placed my cursor at the fill handle position, right bottom corner, and now press left click of your mouse and drag it over the cells where you want to enter this data. But here you will find certain difference with the values, that as I have typed COVID-19. Now at the last cell, when I release the left click from mouse, the data will be COVID-21. Why it is so? You can simply change over here the options of paste special. Here you can change the copying options, that if you want to paste the data in fill series form or just you want to copy the content of the first cell. So here if we are going just for copying the cell, then select this first option. Here COVID-19 is pasted. Otherwise you can change it into fill series, and this fill series will help us in another topic and we will explore more about it in that topic. Hopefully now you understood that how we can copy the data from one cell to the rest of cells in column wise or row wise. And similarly now we are well equipped that how we can enter a data in MS Excel cell in a worksheet. Clear? For data entry, first step, select your required cell. Number 2, type your required data in the cell. Number 3, press enter key. To use the fill handle to fill the cells, for this first we have to type a required data in the cell, and then we have to place the cursor at the fill handle which is at the right bottom corner of selected cell, and then we have to press it and drag over the required cells where we want the data, and then at the last cell we will release the mouse button. Our required cell data will be pasted over the dragged cells. Understood? Hopefully now you understood this. If you have any question, you can ask me. Thank you.